All right, here we go. Let's put in that into practice now. So suppose that a radioactive isotope decays so the radioactivity present decreases by 15% per day. So hopefully right now you're realizing this is going to be a decay problem. It's decreasing by 15%. And it's the same equation, just instead of adding R, we're going to be subtracting because it's decreasing. So if 40 kilograms are present now, and hopefully that's triggering something for you, that if it's present right now, that's our initial amount. So find the amount present 6 days from now, so 6 days later, and then B, 6 days ago. And so let's do A first here. So 6 days from now, and so our amount, our A of T, that again, that being our final amount, is going to be equal to the current amount, the initial amount, which is our, I probably should stick with initial amount because some will look back in time. So the initial amount that we're talking about here, which is going to be our 40. Actually, let's write out that whole equation. So A sub naught is our initial amount times 1 minus our rate, because again we're decaying, times time. And now we're just going to plug the things that we know in. So we're looking for 6 days from now. So we're going to be at the amount in 6 days. That's our time. And it's a function of t. A sub 0 is going to be our, is 40. How many kilograms are present right now? That's our starting point. And 1 minus 0.15, 15%, times, to the 6th power. That's the t that's getting plugged in. So because it's 6 days from now. So each day, per day, we are losing 15%. So go ahead and again, throw that all into your calculator there, and you should be getting out that A of 6 is equal to 15.09 kilograms. All right. Next, so B now, we've got, again, our equation we're going to start with is that our final amount, A of t, is equal to A sub naught times 1 minus the rate to the t power. And so now for B, it's asking us 6 days ago. So at 6 days ago, what would have our final amount been? Well, it's what we're at right now. So that's going to be our 40 in this case. That was our end result from 6 days ago. And it's equal to A sub naught. That's what we're looking for. What was the amount 6 days ago? Now again, it's still decreasing at 15% a day. So 1 minus 0.15. So really you're going to have 0.85 to the 6th power because it's 6 days ago. And that should give you, so you're going to do 1 minus 0.15 to the 6th power, divide both sides by that, and you should end up with, so again, divide each side by 0.85 to the 6th, 0.85 to the 6th, and go ahead and hit that into your calculator, and you'll get 40 divided by that should be at, your result should be 106 kilograms is your A sub naught for this question. So what it was 6 days ago. All right, hope that helped.